Okay, everyone, we are going to talk about the future tense today. So we've done the present tense, which is now, and the past tense, and now we are doing the future tense. So one way to write in the future tense is to use the word will. So the word will is one way to express something that will take place in the future. The helping verb will is used with the present part of a verb to form the future tense. For example, will plus help equals will help. So here are some examples. I will help on the project. Our youth group will organize an activity. The activity will raise money for the charity. Our advisor will help us in our decision. We will decide on a project soon. So those are all examples of the future tense. So if we go down here, we're on page 94. We're going to look at the exercise 1. Complete each sentence with the verb in parentheses. Use the future tense with will. So number 1, our class will discuss our fundraising project. Our teachers will lead the discussion. Some students will make presentations. I will suggest a clothing drive. Lily will recommend a car wash. We all will vote on the best project. The winning project hopefully will raise a lot of money. All right. And then over here, we are on page 95. We are changing each sentence to the future tense. So this says, we help with the clothing drive. So we'll change it to the future tense by adding will. We will help with the clothing drive. They will collect more clothes than usual. You will put the items on tables. Monica will get the tables. The teachers will decide the prices. I will write the price tag. Darnell will hand out flyers. Jasmine will make signs. We will take turns working at the clothing drive. People will buy the items. We will give the money to charity. They will appreciate our donation. Okay, so now we're going to go to the next page, which is the next lesson, and this is another way to express the future tense. So we just talked about will in 4.11 or 4.11, and now in 4.12 or 4.12, we're going to talk about the future tense with going to. Okay, so I'm on page 96 in your grammar textbook. Like will, the phrase going to is used to express future tense. A form of the helping verb must be in front of going to. So, for example, instead of will, you could say, Nina is going to make breakfast. I am going to cook. You are going to cook. We are going to cook. They are going to cook. Okay? And so let's come down here to exercise 1. Find the verb in the future tense in each sentence. That would be, what are you going to eat? So going to eat, going to eat, going to toast, going to have, going to drink. All right, and then on page 97, we're going to change it to the future tense using going to this time instead of will. We are going to make brunch. I am going to squeeze the oranges. Freddie is going to toast the bread. Mom is going to scramble the eggs. Santiago is going to set the table. You are going to pour the juice. Brody is going to flip the pancakes. I am going to put blueberries on my cereal. Michael is going to cut some melon. They are going to do the dishes. All right. That is about going to and the future tense.